Hi, today I have for you something different. I will be working in the very first junk journal. It's quite bulky, it's experimental, and I really like it. I'm learning to make junk journal, and I'm exploring all great materials which you can use. I'll be doing flip through just a little bit so you can see pages. Some of them were just original, which I made to page and then I glue page. There's place to work, there's empty envelope, some another pages. Here I will be working today, so in the middle there's one tag. I think it's really great when you can connect or work with all material, printed material, self-made material, like your backgrounds, like your collage pieces. Here is place to work. So let's begin and let's make really easy. I have to find my middle. Where is my place to play? There it is. So I will be gluing some collage from these butterflies. This is Prima marketing paper, and I cut different squares and rectangles from butterflies. I have here die cut from some my crafting, I don't know which one. I have here some printed paper which I bought. This is printable, I can say. This I bought at Etsy at Junk with Step. You know Step After, he's designer also for WoW. And I have here some another printables. I have here some stamps by WoW and of course embossing powders. Sorry, my camera is moving. So let's begin. Let's prepare background. Junk journaling can be free as art journaling is. So don't be afraid when you don't know how to make it. You never did it. Okay, I will make frame first. It's really easy. You don't have to prepare page if you are not applying tons of liquids. I will make somehow page, and because I'm working really on not straight surface, it will not straight, but this is just very easy frame stamped with clear embossing ink, and I will use embossing powder. Crusty copper by Set After. So now a little bit logistic, because working in a journal it's not so easy like you are when you are working on card, separate card. You have to move whole journal, or if you don't want to move it, there's just string, you can undo it, but I'm lazy. I don't want to ruin it. I'm glad that it's seemed really good. So this is my frame. I will not heat set it because I will do more heat embossing in one step. I don't want to have really long tutorial because I'm speaking here. It's not voiceover, so this background will not be so much visible. So I'm just working here and there at the places where I think you can see something. And because really it's junk journal, you can play freely. This script stamp, it's from the wall art stamp set. It's very beautiful and it's great for art journaling, junk journaling. Now I absolutely don't see where I have my stamping, but I'm slowly sprinkling. This is Renke Judith's blush. Okay, it's very, very light. I didn't press too much. Again, it's background. Now I can heat set it. I will heat set it and I will be back. I don't want to have video like 20 minutes. So heat setting, I will cut from the video. So now last step for the background will be applying Distress Oxide Black Soot just here and there. Again, I'm using this blending brush. And this is Stencil by Wall. I think it's lots of dots. I'm bad in names, so you will find a list of material at the end of blog post. So don't worry, this is really new stencil. So I'm ready. It's stamped, it's heat embossed. I will choose some butterflies. It is super easy page. I love making collage with different images. It's relaxing. You can make your own collage pieces. You can use scraps. The great way is to use scraps for such a project. And this is my sentiment. This I had in my cream. I don't know, Czech company, Havlíkova Apotéka it's called, and in each cream they have some quotes, some motivational quotes, and I think you are loved. Here it's in my language, milovaný. It's really, really great. So nothing complicated. This is just basic school glue, and I will be making my collage. I think the sentiment, it's really great for the middle of my, really, the very first experimental junk journal. I love old vintage things. I have lots of decoration at home, which I found at the attic by my grandparents. So now I will be silent. I will speed up video and I will be back for the finish step. So now everything is glue. I will not add anything. I will not stamp over it. I hope my glue will work. If not, I will use liquid glue later. This cool glue is not good to glue over embossed areas. It needs something stronger. Oh, this paper, it's just scrapbooking paper from AB Studio. Sorry, it was my telephone. Now, I will cut sentiment in half, and one piece I will use for this page and the second one for this page. And I will glue it with 3D tape to be sure that it's really firmly glued over all layers. And that will be really last step. You can continue, you can use washi tapes, you can decorate it more and more. You can use different stamps, more embossing powders, and other stencils. You can use some structure paste, some colored paste, some crackling medium. Art journaling and junk journaling, it's really, really relax with no rules. So here is check. I cover it. And here is English sentiment. It's the same sentiment with both languages. And this is my very easy junk journal page. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like it and you want more art journaling, junk journaling at WoW YouTube channel, just leave me a comment. We can create together something crazy what I'm creating here in my very first experimental junk journal. So, thank you very much for your time and have a nice day.